Hello classmates! I'm Reginald.
I'm Janelle
Welcome to our tutorial
on how to use a
ultrasonic cleaner. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps on how to effectively use this equipment in your experiments.
So, let's begin! An ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to create cavitation bubbles in a liquid, effectively cleaning delicate items by agitating contaminants.
Now for the operation, to turn on an ultrasonic cleaner, first, you have to connect the ultrasonic cleaner to a power source. Next is ensure the tank is filled with the appropriate cleaning solution. Next, submerge items to be cleaned in the basket and place it in the tank. Press the power button or switch to turn on the ultrasonic cleaner. And then, adjust the cleaning time, temperature, and other settings on the control panel. And now to shut down an ultrasonic cleaner, first you have to press the power button or switch to turn off the ultrasonic cleaner. Next is disconnect the cleaner from the power source. Next, wait until the water cools down before taking out the clean items. And then, take the clean items out of the tank and rinse them if necessary. Last is empty the tank and wipe the residue water if needed.
Congrats classmates! You have now mastered the fundamentals of this equipment.
We hope that this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to effectively use this equipment.
Stay curious,
Stay safe!
And keep innovating.
Bye!